Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Kiran ma'am, and today we are going to do the revision of CVC words. But before that, we will do the revision of alphabet A to Z with its sound. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E says F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says U says A, V says V, W says W, X says X says X, X says Z, Y says Y, Z says Z. Now, tell me kids, what is the meaning of CVC? Yes, C means consonant, V means vowel, and again C means consonant. So today again we will see how many vowels and consonants are there in alphabet A to Z. Kids, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants in alphabet A to Z. Let's see some CVC words. Mat, mat, at mat. Tin, tin, tin. Peg, peg, peg. Hot, hot, hot. Cup, cup. Van, van. Boy, boy, boy. Pig, pig, pig. Tub, tub. Wet, wet. Now, let's write some CVC words in our English notebook. First, we will write today's date, that is 5-2-2121, 5th February 2021. CVC words. First we will write met, M-A-T, met, met. So for alphabet M, we will make standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing, go up, make a curve, come down standing. For A, we will make a C curve, then go up, come down standing. For T, we will make a standing line, then a small curve and a slipping line on first blue line. M-A-T, met, met. Second, we will write tin, T-I-N, tin, T-I-N, tin. So for alphabet T, we will make a standing line and make a small curve, and a slipping line on first blue line. For I, we will make a standing line and a dot. For N, we will make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, standing. Tin, tin. Tin, tin. Now, third number, we will write peg. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. So, for alphabet P, we will make a standing line, go up and make a reverse C curve. For E, make a slant line and then make a C curve. For G, make a C curve, go up, come down standing and make a small curve. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. Number 4, we will write hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. So for alphabet H, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, standing. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For T, make a standing line, then make a small curve and slipping line on first blue line. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Number 5, we will write cup. C-U-P, cup. K-U-P, cup. So for alphabet C, we will make a C curve. For U, we will make a standing line, make a curve, go up, come down, standing. For P, make a standing line, go up, then make a reverse C curve. C-U-P, cup. K-U-P, cup. Number 6, we will write when. V-A-N, when. V-A-N, when. So for alphabet V, we will make a slant down, slant up. For A, make a C curve, go up, come down, standing. For N, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, standing. V-A-N, when. V-A-N, when. Number 7, we will write boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. So for alphabet B, we will make a standing line, go up and make a reverse C curve. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For Y, make a small slant line and then make a big slant line. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Number 8, we will write pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. So for alphabet P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For I, make a standing line and a dot. For G, make a C curve, go up, come down standing and make a curve. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Number 9, we will write tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. So for alphabet T, we will make a standing line and a small curve, slipping line on first blue line. For U, make a standing line, then make a curve, go up, come down standing. For B, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Now, number 10, we will write wet. Wet. W-E-T, wet. So for alphabet W, make a slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. For E, make a slanting line, then make a C curve. For T, make a standing line, small curve, and then slipping line on first blue line. W-E-T, wet, W-at, wet. See kids, like this way you have to write CVC words in your English notebook. Now I will give you one worksheet. Kids, in this worksheet you have to match the picture to their correct word. So first we will recognize all pictures one by one. So first picture is of rug. Next picture is of pin. Next is log. Next is fan. And the last picture is of keg. Now we will read all the words one by one. Which is the first word written? Yes, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. So we will match it with the picture of pin. Which is the next word? Keg. K-E-G, keg. K-egg, keg. So we will match it with the picture of keg. Which is the next word? Rug. R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. So we will match it with the picture of rug. Which is the next word written? Log. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. So we will match it with the picture of log. Which is the last word written? Yes, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. So we will match it with the picture of fan. Kids, like this way you have to complete your worksheet. I hope kids, you all have learned easily all CVC words. So keep practicing it at home. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.